This video shows a simple little innovation to improve PantoRouters purchased up to August 2022. Since then, this improvement has been included on every PantoRouter, so this video shows how to bring older PantoRouters up to the current standard for plunge lever action. The linear bearings on the PantoRouter allow the pantograph carriage to slide forward and backwards with very little effort, but we felt a little bit of resistance would be nice, especially when mortising with an aggressive spiral bit. Our initial thought was to simply replace the clevis pin with a bolt and tighten it to increase the amount of friction. And while this was effective, over time it abrades the aluminum plunge lever, and that's not an ideal solution. We put together this simple upgrade kit consisting of a special cap screw, 2 adhesive back plastic washers to reduce friction, a flat steel washer, a lock washer, and a nut. For this quick task, you'll need a pencil, a 3mm hex wrench, and your 8mm or 5/16 inch end wrench. Start by locking the front and back depth stops to lock the position of the pantograph carriage. The bolt can be installed in either of these locations. However, the bottom location leaves a little bit more space for the threads for both the washer and the nut. And this is how we ship all of the new PantoRouters. Remove the cotter pin using the angled hex wrench, then remove the original pivot pins and washers. Peel the paper off an adhesive back plastic washer and place it on the tip of a pencil with the sticky side towards the tip. Use the pencil to center the washer around the hole and press it on firmly. Then repeat this step on the other side of the plunge lever. Test the fit to see if the bottom of the plunge lever can easily fit in the corresponding U-shaped bracket without damaging the adhesive washers that were just installed. It's likely to be a little bit too tight, so use a crescent wrench to very gently widen the vertical members of the bracket. Install the provided pivot bolt, then install the flat steel washer, and then the lock washer, and finally the nut. And tighten them with the 8mm wrench and a 3mm hex wrench until they're snug but not super tight. Now unlock the pantograph carriage and test the action of the plunge lever. You can loosen or tighten the nut as desired to find the amount of tension that's just right for you. We hope this small upgrade makes using the PantoRouter even more enjoyable for you. With the high cost of shipping these days, we really can't recommend buying this kit alone, but if you're ordering other accessories, throw this kit in the next time you place an order. And as always, happy PantoRouting!